Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add action buttons in a Google Slides presentation, also known as linking slides. This is perfect if you want your presentations to be more interactive and easy to navigate. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head to Google Slides. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can create and save your presentation seamlessly. Once you're on the home page, you can either start with a blank presentation or pick a template you like. Either way, you'll land in the presentation editor. Now let's add an action button. Look at the top of the screen and click Insert. Then choose Shape from the drop-down menu. You can pick any shape that fits your design. Rounded rectangles work great, but arrows or custom shapes are also an option. Draw your shape on the slide and then click it to highlight it. You'll see a text box appear. Add your button text like Next or Learn More. To make this button interactive, we need to link it. With the shape selected, go back to Insert and click Link. Here, you can choose to link to another slide in your presentation or even an external web page. If linking to another slide, just select the one you want. For a web link, paste the URL, and that's it. Your button is now fully functional. Finally, save your work and test the button to make sure it navigates exactly how you want. With these steps, your slides are now more interactive, professional, and easy for your audience to follow. So there you have it, a complete guide to adding action buttons in Google Slides. Experiment with different shapes, text, and links until you find the perfect combination. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.